Hey folks, Bill here from Survival. Thank you for joining me today. I'm behind the camera today. We're going to do a different kind of video. So I mentioned previously that I had offers from some companies to try out some new products and show how they kind of integrate and coincide with the stuff I preach, whether it's wilderness survival, preparedness, whatever it may be. So I wanted to talk about some stuff today. A few months ago, a company, AFERY, they're a solar power station, battery backup company that makes some products, and they offered to send me some stuff I want to try out and feature. As someone who lives a preparedness lifestyle, I don't think it's a bad idea to have battery backups, power stations, home generators, that kind of thing on hand. It's pretty much a must. You have children, animals, whatever it may be, you need to keep your house going, whether it's lights, refrigerator, water heater, all the above. So when they offered to send me their 800 watt power station there and their 200 watt solar panel to try out, I told them I think I'd be interested, and so I took them up on the offer. They sent it out. It is, as you see, the 200 watt solar panel, the 800 watt power station, which actual power delivers a 512 watt hours of charging capability. You can see right now I'm charging my Soundcore Rave Bluetooth speaker. I have my Army Tech flashlight charging up there on top. The solar panel was plugged in. I was charging both of those and charging the unit itself, and it's up to 100% battery power with, I think it's 33 watts of output right now going to the Soundcore Rave and the flashlight. Really, guys, I have to say, I was kind of iffy when they sent it to me. I'd never heard of the company beforehand. I do have other power stations from some of the big name brands. The big charger brands, they're all over the place. I have a couple of theirs and one that is kind of a direct competitor to this one. And it's almost twice the price as this one. And so far, in the couple months I've had this one performs just as well. It doesn't have as many AC plugs. As you can see, it only has one on the side here. Right there. But it does have 3 USB-C charging plugs right on the front, 2 100 watt and a 20 watt, and then it has 2 USB-A chargers right above that. It has a cigarette lighter right there, a light. The connector for the solar panel is on that side, and so is the supercharger plug to plug into an inverter that will charge the whole unit from 0 to 100% in an hour and a half. That is a huge deal. The fact that you can recharge and have all that power on hand that quick is massive. The solar panel, I love the setup. I have another brand, I have an Anchor setup, and it's a little different. I like the solar panel by far from AFERY better than I like my Anchor solar panel. I like how it folds up. I like the stands on the back. I like the connections, how there's a compartment on the back to wrap them up, zip them in, and everything has Velcro to hold the whole unit together. Like I said, I was kind of iffy when I agreed to it because I wasn't sure the quality that this was going to be. But I'm greatly surprised, and it seems to be excellent quality. The power station doesn't feel plasticky. It feels well made. Doesn't feel like it's going to break. It feels pretty durable. The connections all seem secure. The plugs are all very positive. There's no mushiness to them. The buttons aren't mushy. There's a positive click to them. It doesn't weigh all that much. I believe these units run about $300. Don't quote me on the price. I'll put all the links in the description when I post the video. This will be a Wednesday upload. That's what we're going to do now. Whenever, I'm not going to be doing these all the time, but whenever I do have a product review like this, they will be Wednesday posts. Sundays will always be reserved for my main content, for my kits and stuff. And Wednesdays we'll do product reviews and stuff on. So I wanted to take a minute, show you guys, we're up here near the Clarion River. getting some stuff set up. We got the river in the background, and waiting on everybody else to show up for the Brotherhood camp. You guys have heard me talk about this on Instagram, Bushcraft USA, and in the community section. That's what we're doing this weekend. I'm still waiting on everybody else to get here. So while I had a few minutes and I was charging everything up, I thought I'd share this quick video and let you guys know. There will be a discount code for these in the description. I'll link to everything below. And I just wanted to say, if you guys were in the market for a power station, these AFERY ones, especially this 800 watt and the 200 watt solar panel, highly recommended. Again, wilderness survival, maybe not much, but if you're in a float plane or something, if you have a boat, you could easily shove this in a boat with the solar panel or the float plane. They don't take up too much space. You can see the solar panel's 4 sections. It folds up on itself and is the size of one of those sections. It's not very big. It's about 2 foot by 2 foot. Then about 2 inches, 2.5 inches thick once it's completely folded up, so it's not overly cumbersome. For your house, preparedness goes to every walk, every facet of your life. So we have battery backup generators, solar panels, and stuff at our house because I have kids. We have a whole family and a whole household to run refrigerators, freezer, and all that stuff. So we have multiple battery banks. I think we have one for each room right now, plus a larger one. So for me, I think this is something that we can incorporate. And this is definitely something the solar panel we have is a little heavier. It's an older Anchor one at home, so it stays at home. This AFERY one is really lightweight, and this is going to be my new camping one for when we have our group camps, whether it's classes, demonstrations, we're setting up at fairs, or different events. So this is something you guys will be seeing more often. And I just wanted to take a minute today, share it with you, share the quality gear, and get your guys' thoughts. Again, this isn't going to be the bulk of my channel. This is a couple things that I agreed to do reviews on, and because I thought they could be incorporated into the preparedness that we talk about. So, and I wanted to try and show some budget stuff, which AFERY, they are on the lower end of the price scale. So keep that in mind. So with my discount that I'll be offering you guys, I don't make anything off it. It's just a 10% discount for you guys. So thank you guys. If you have any questions on this, drop them in the chat, drop them in the comments, and let me know what you think. Do you guys have a battery station, solar panels, and battery backup for your house or for when you go camping, your setups? Let me know, and we'll be back with another video. Bring you guys around real quick. Usually in front of the camera, but today wanted to be behind so I could do some talking, show you guys what we're looking at. So thank you guys. I'll be off grid. Wednesday or Sunday we'll still have an upload this week. I'll get it up. But thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to have the conversations in the bottom. I think we just passed 4,400 subscribers on YouTube. We're coming up on 12,000 on Instagram. So big thank you to everybody. Love having the conversations. Love talking to you guys, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Until next time. Bye for now.